Hi, good day. I'm John Louie Ardionson, 33 years old, butcher here in Davao City, Philippines. Today, I want to show you the 5 different cuts of whole dressed chicken. Before I start cuttings, let me show you how to sharpen my knife using my honey scale in 45 degrees angle. And these are the 5 cuts of whole dressed chicken. The backbone, the drumstick, the thigh part, the wings, and the breast. That's all, thank you.